Alright, so this is a functioning deadbolt we have on one of our office doors here. You see it works inside and out with the key. You can lock it, pull the key out, unlock it, pull the key out, so that works okay. So I'm going to simulate the problem you're having. Take this out quick. Come around to the other side, Nick. So I'm going to pull this cylinder out. You see this flat blade piece of metal going through the door. So I'm going to rotate this to the opposite direction and then reinsert it here. And try to get these screws lined up again. So now you'll see same deadbolt, but now this is not locking or unlocking. The only way I can make that lock and unlock is if I put this key in, and then it'll allow me to do that. But then from this side, you can lock it, but you can't pull the key out. You can unlock and pull the key out, but you can't lock it, then bring it back to center to pull the key out. So basically that's the problem you're having. You just, if it's doing this right now, how we're showing it here. Let's see if I can get the key back out. Not working. Working. Then you just need to pull this cylinder out, rotate that flat spindle, put it back in.